how to fix, how to use internet using hotspot. Very simple. And see, at the end there are 3 steps we use this one. You see, that time is my internet is working, just I using hotspot. Today I show you how to connect hotspot in T-Mobile, Metro PCS and other network. Just see the steps, follow it. Let's start on how to fix it. First step, there are 3 ways you can fix it. One is LAN setting, delete some files, and DNS change. Okay, first step, check line setting. Click control panel, network and internet option, and line setting, and then go there, click on internet control panel, sorry, and then we go connection, line setting, click on line setting, click on automatically deleted, automatically detected setting, click on this, and when it's connected just click OK and start check this internet is work here now. Okay, go to the second step, remove your configure files, disconnect the hotspot shield, go to the hotspot shield configure folder, click on this, try connected, no. The second step, C program file x86 hotspot shield, copy it, and we deleted 3 files, just deleted 3 files. Open new window, copy and paste, and see there is a 3 file showing, but you delete sd info save.cfg, you delete this file, just delete this file, click on it, this is deleted, yes, continue. And the third and last one, if they try that internet is connected or no, just try it. Open the window, click, Google it. This is the same issue is come here. The last one step we're doing here, and you see that I tried 2 step is not connecting. Maybe you connected, but in my condition I not connected. I use third one steps, change DNS. Very simple. Go network and sharing, change adapter setting, double click active adapter property, control panel, network and internet option, network and sharing center, change adapter setting, click on Wi-Fi properties and IP4, click on IP4 in protocol, internet protocol, just internet protocol version 4, double click on it, and we give the number DNS server 88 or alternative DNS server. Use the following address and either the following is same, don't change, this simple. Click on 8888 8844, click OK. Click on close, and the last step we check that our internet is connected or not. Click on connected. You see that internet is connecting. Thank you for watching, teaming.